Good morning, hunters. Another day, another hunt. We watching FRC still holding above the $13 where we have a nice bounce yesterday around the 13.50. Now is just 1%. We don't have the same volatility like yesterday when we gapped almost 35%. We'll see if we have a test today for the $15. Silvergate doing all right. We might see a breakout. BRDS doing even better, 39%. We have a gap from the 16 cent, which was our resistance, now is our support. We might have a test and a breakout zone around the 20. Welcome everybody. We got a great day ahead of us. Let's see green day. HCMC top gainer for today.
Okay, I found this on the web for HCM.
So we got something going on again with this stock. Yeah, it's still low on volume. This stock was a top gainer last 2 years. It jumped almost 500% or even more than that. Yeah, it was 1000%. So we might have a test for this year around 304, which would be a trigger for a huge squeeze, but not now. Don't be fooled by the 9,900% up. Don't be fooled by this kind of jump. SKFG. No, we got the Viking Therapeutics. 5 million pre-market. 37 now. Interesting. Really, really interesting for this one. We have a huge gap, 35. Let's see if we hold this support for Viking Therapeutic. Interesting play. We got something going on here. We got another one. Oh man, I forgot to charge my mouse. Oh, I think it's out of charge. Oh man, I don't like this. I always forget. It's been almost a week I didn't charge my mouse. So yeah, this is my bad. I should have been more careful with that because the mouse is really important to trade fast. Anyway, so we don't have to complain. We have to learn. We did some mistake. We don't fill the gas on the trip, on the road trip. You have to consider the outcome. So yeah, let me just check this one. We might have this one look interesting play. Oscar Health. So we got many healthcare stocks jumping on some kind of news. Not one, but three, I think. We got this one as well, looking interesting. You just put this here, $5 support. Yeah, let me just check how much we can do for this one. Not that big. Yeah, jumping 39, already jumped 39%. So I will pass. On this one. Risk to reward ratio. We always should calculate the risk to reward ratio before choosing any stock, because we have a lot of options here. The idea is seeing one have more potential outcome for the reward comparing to the risk, because there's always a risk in any trade. Oscar Health, this one. Okay, so BRDS already on our list. This one looking interesting. SNOA, pharmaceutical stock as well, jumping 10%, but we got rejected big time around the 2. Not now. We might have some news. So we got deal with other pharmaceutical company to sell skin products in South Korea. This was in the beginning of this year, yeah. But not today. Not today, brother, not today. This one will take time. You know what I'm gonna do? That always never leave anything to chance. So I'll put 208 as squeeze area for the stock. In the time being, we watch BRDS jumping 37, Silvergate jumping 5% yesterday, 14%, and FRC yesterday we give a lot of profit from the 35. We closed the trading session yesterday around the 12% up. Now is just 1%, but still holding. Welcome everybody, welcome. Are we gonna have a green day today or not? Let's check the SPY. Yeah, yesterday or this year, see with me, Tesla is 40% down. 43 Amazon, Tesla, Google, Apple just 9%, not bad. Microsoft as well, Meta 7%. So yeah, we got 1 year performance now for many stocks is down. The oil and gas industry looking pretty decent, not a lot of red. Gold hit a new level. Gold hit a new level. Okay, so gold went toward this breakout zone, got rejected. So gold went to almost or over the 2000, so a new high for this year. Doing all right. Gold doing all right. A lot of people go to the gold now when the market is not stable. We see a lot of people buying gold instead of stocks and other commodities. Let's see, Tesla's doing all right. Tesla too doing all right. Nvidia as well, still holding the support. Meta still holding. AMD, the SPY, on the other hand, yeah, we're still doing higher lows here. So there's a potential pump from the 405. This would be a really interesting play if we broke this level of resistance. will be game on for the market. Let's see what's gonna happen. Only time will tell. How everybody doing? If you can hear my voice, just say all right, all right, all right. We got 20 minutes left for the opening bell, so we have to be ready to hunt for today market. AMC, George, yeah. Or day trade, we'll check it together. BDRX, this one is pretty volatile. It was on our watch list for today. It visited our box. Welcome Lay from Germany. Welcome Angelo, my brother. How you doing? It's sunny day today. It's not raining, so this is good. But it's bad for the planet. It's bad for the trees. Rain is good. Yes, TOV, let's make some money. Great. So, let me just check something out. Let me just check. Let me just check this out. Yeah, I know. Let me just bring this back. Perfect. Let's check AMC and go here. Moderna's going down big time. So for AMC, are we gonna have the same jump that happened for GameStop happening for AMC? This would be great, because GameStop did a really great jump and now is in consolidation area. GameStop is in consolidation area. Look, this is about to pump. This is a consolidation, guys. This box between 24 and 22. Still in pre-market below the 0.43%. The other hand, AMC, where's the bottom? Let me just check. We got now we have kind of support, but I prefer the $3.20, because now after we break the $5.26, it's still bearish, you know. So I will wait now. I will wait. Either I will buy after we clear the $5.26, otherwise I will wait for a confirmation for another sell-off toward the $3.20. Yeah, we might have a bit of hold up around this support, the $3.80, but the good support that will be visited, a new low for this year, should be around the $3.20, above the $3. So now is still in undecision phase, George. Here, undecision. After this huge selling pressure, I will wait a bit to have a confirmation for the direction. Either buying the dip or buying when the market corrects and go higher once again over the $5.26, which is our resistance now. We are a bit far from it. GameStop. I will keep my eyes on GameStop because something about the give. Let me just check how much we can do from here. Yeah, 12% and another jump. Yeah, another jump. If we have a really good jump, we might see a 30%, 50% again for GameStop. But now is loading phase. I put alert for GameStop around the 24.50 and the $22. So both those level we have to accumulate and consolidate inside this area in order to have confirmation for breakout. BRDS will be the ATM for today. We'll see. David, welcome, brother. So many of you talking about the BRDS being the ATM machine for today. You wish if the price didn't jump that like over the 16, it would have been a better trade to enter around the 16. Yeah, we already jumped big time here. So the 16, now I'm watching the 16 as a support. There's a really great pattern forming now for this one. Yeah, we're gonna have a test when the market open around the 20. So we have to watch for the 2078 as a breakout. Now is 1999. Yeah, going toward the 20 before the market open. We might see a test now. We might see a test now for BRDS. Breakout before the market open. Is this happening? I think so. Silvergate, on the other hand, going back big time yesterday around the $2.45. We got a huge rejection. Price held the support. 2017 broke it. And power hour. Boom, 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 boom. Now it's ready to pump once again. So Silvergate is not finished yet. FRC as well is not finished yet. We have great reaction yesterday. Is that so? IMPP, it's been a while, yeah. It's been a while last time we discussed IMPP. Big B, MULN, I think it's still down. George, man, patience is the key. Yes, man. It's easy to say, hard to do, you know. It's really easy to say, hard to do. It's like saying I will go to the gym every day. Saying it is really easy, but if you want to do it, man, yeah, you have to change your mentality. Because usually everybody wants comfort, to stay, to sleep, or just watch Netflix. But changing this kind of mentality and doing something you hate to do with time will be not easier, but will be a habit. I'm just saying, it never will be easy. Like taking cold shower every day, never will be easy. Never. Every time I'll take cold shower, I was like, I hate it. But doing something you hate is really good because you build discipline, you know. This is not, I'm looking about the benefit of cold shower. Yeah, it's kind of good because you never get sore and you could actually go training each day. But the discipline, you know, you get the discipline of doing something you hate. And something you hate at the same time have beneficial effect for your life. So don't do something bad and you hate and is actually, it will be bad for you if you did it, like eating, I don't know, bad food or doing something bad. So yeah, I believe in discipline and doing something you really hate but have a really good value in the big run. Compounding effect. IMPP. Let me just check this one. IMPP. The energy stock. 23% yesterday. Oh, brother. We got right around our resistance, the 24 cents. Yeah, we got rejected there. That's why we got shorted big time. Yeah. So IMPP is interesting play. Still gravitating down. We might see another low because this is just a test for this level and the price got rejected. So yeah, I will be watching the 15 as a bottom for this year, 24 as a breakout zone. Thank you for bringing this up to us, Sunray, because I forget to put an alert for this breakout zone for IMPP. And everybody knows IMPP is big gainer, did over 500% or 1000% in the last few years. So we might see the same reaction in coming days if we broke this level. Yeah, we might see 50%. Thank you, Sunray, for bringing this opportunity, for give us a reminder about this stock. Joseph Angelo, thank you, brother. Keep it up. Yes. Doing training each day. Imagine, man, you go to the gym while you're fasting and you don't drink and you don't eat. This is the ultimate discipline. You go and you bust your crazy training each day while you never eat or drink. And this is the funny part, is everybody have this capacity to do. It's like I saw like in documentary on, I don't know, National Geographic, some guy got trapped like in a mountain and there is a big rock blocking his hand. So he cut his hand off, he ripped his hand off, and he walked back to his car almost 20 miles and he survived. And there's a movie about it. And this is give me an idea. It's like, oh man, this is a normal human being. He's not like even an athlete or superhuman. He's just human. And he done that. It's like 4 days without water, without drinks. And on top of that, he cut his own hand. And on top of that, he actually ran back in the desert. It was in America, in the United States. I don't know which place, Texas or I don't know where. But there's a movie about it. It's called, I don't know, 400 hours, something like this. So yeah, it gives me a reminder that our body is capable of doing super power things, you know? We have unlimited power. So when I told you guys I go to the gym while I sleep, fasting and never eat anything since 17 hours, this is nothing compared to this guy. So yeah, I compare myself to the other extreme things, you know? When I think about my life, it's like, come on, man. I live a comfortable life. Everything is easy. So yeah, it's not hard. Emulan has a good news. Jam, he wasn't stupid, man. He wasn't stupid. Usually when you do something out of habit and you know, like almost on the 99% degree that you actually know the place and you did it so many times, one day, the probability of doing one day and you don't expect something will happen. Of course, you never expect something happen like this. This is the chance of this happening is less than 1%. That's why he never told anybody. If he did this for the first time, I will tell you he's stupid. But he did it so many times. And he's an expert. So I would never call him stupid, but I would call the universe stupid, you know? Because this is the chance, this is the probability of something happening in the universe, even winning the lottery. There's a possibility that you could actually win the lottery out of probabilities. So I will never call him stupid, but this is the probability, chance that happened. Exactly, Angelo, 127 hours. James Franco, yeah, this is the movie, yeah. But the movie didn't do the exact thing justice, you know? what happened to this guy, it was horrific. But in the movie, they didn't show exactly like what the other guy actually suffer. They don't focus on this aspect. But yeah, it was a good movie for James Franco. I liked this actor. Anyway, so Emulan, let me just bring Emulan here. Check Emulan. And let me just check. Okay, Emulan. Emulan still continue to go down. Even we got some news coming up. A lot of people said there's news. We got some news for the March 31st deadline. So we have deadline. Oh man, that deadline about just a few days ago, or a few days ahead. Yeah, after 3 days, I think. So we might see a jump. So if we got something going on fundamentally, and news came up for Emulan, we're gonna have this reaction going up around at 18 and then continue to go down. So if you already bought Emulan, I would suggest to exit around the 18 if we have this jump, because if we calculate how much will be almost 60%, 70% for Emulan. So watch out. We might see this jump. Already put alert here to notify us about this reaction. Market is about to open, and BRDS, a lot of you said, is the ATM machine. So look what's happened. Test for the 20, price got rejected. So the 2078 should be the level that we have to watch when the market opened today. Let me just put alert here around the 18 if we don't want to have a sell-off. And PRDS looking interesting. Silvergate still, FRC still. So BRDS and the open looking interesting. BRDS looking interesting play for today market. And let me just check. Yeah, 2 minutes, guys. Okay, let me just bring something up. Okay, we got 2 minutes, guys. 2 minutes. Just watch out. Just remember that day trading is risky. Don't follow me blindly, and be do your due diligence before put your own money for any trade. And of course, those stocks that we actually watching, like BRDS, is pretty volatile. Can go up 50% and can go down 50% easily. Okay, we got another stock, VKTX. VKTX. We got another one, a big jumper. But yeah, this one is a bit risky because getting near the bottom, the 1214, we might see a pump for this one when the market open. We'll see. But BRDS on the open, looking interesting. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. 1 minute. Now it's open. Let's see. Let's see which one will be the ATM machine for today. BRDS is still holding. Silvergate as well. Let's see. BRDS, Silvergate, and BRDS. Okay. So BRDS 46% already gapped, huge gap toward 20. As we said, the 2070 is the resistant for BRDS to have another pump. VKTX is holding just about the bottom, the 1214. Oh man, this one could be a winner. This one could be a winner, but you know, this one is kind of, yeah, we might see a breakout now for VKTX testing. You see what's happening? It's just testing, and now we kind of have a breakout. So this is the bottom that we already visited. Let me just check 4%. Yeah, we might see a continuation for this one. Let me just bring my other level. Yeah, we might see a test for the 1366 first, then the 1527. Support is around the 1214 for this one. Let me just put this here. Yeah, on the other one around the 1366. Let's go back to BRDS. Yeah, it's going back big time down, of course. This is the resistance, guys, 2078. Let's see a pullback now for BRDS. Huge pullback. Let me see if we could hold above the 18. Yeah, whoa, huge pullback. Oh man, this one should be like right now we have to hold the 16 after this huge sell-off. This one, they add big time for BRDS around the 2078. Yeah, big short, 11% down. Wow. So let's see a bounce now over this AMA. Let's see a bounce. Silvergate and FRC getting shorted as well. Yeah, as we said, for FRC still the 15 would be confirmation for a strength for FRC. Otherwise, we're going to continue to go down to fill this box. Yesterday we pumped from the 1350. Today should be the 13 as a bottom. We don't want to go back around the 1178. I'm just saying, guys, this will be a confirmation for a huge sell-off below the 10 even. And we might see a huge dip once again, another 60%. So this is dicey now. This is dicey for FRC. It's still pumping down. Silvergate as well, still dumping down. BRDS, huge wick. VKTX still below the 1366. We got CDTX. Let me just check if we got something going on, because the other stock is kind of going down. It didn't break any level of resistance. No, this one not looking good because light on volume. Let me just check how much we got. Just 400k. Yeah, it's kind of about to break an important level around the $1.14. Now it's testing this level, so this is really interesting. But I don't like the volume, man. Really light. Really light. Easily manipulated, this one. Easily manipulated. We might see $1.40. But let me just check how much we can do here. CTTX. Wow, 23%. It's doable. Yeah, CTTX looking good, but I don't like the volume. We might see another rejection here. We're just testing now. You know what I'm gonna do just to confirm if we have a breakout? Let me just put it around the 17. Let's see. VKTX doing all right. It's pumping this one. Silvergate. Let me just check if we have VKTX here. VKTX. Okay, we got it. Okay, let me just let's see if we could actually hold the 12. We have a great bounce from this technical level, so we might have a test for the 1366 now. Let's see. We got just 7 million worth of volume. BRDS bouncing from our MA. This is normal because we have a big pump in pre-market, so the price have to give. We have to load up and fill a bit of gap over the 16. Silvergate looking interesting. Still, the $2.17 is our resistance. FRC is still holding over our box, so we might have a great reaction for FRC, but it's still low on volume for today. Yeah, Silvergate is moving, FRC is moving as well. As we said, for both of them, they are still below the resistance. FRC is around the $15. This is our resistance. For Silvergate is around the $2.17. We'll see if we have a breakout for both of them. Continuation higher. VKTX. We got BDRX bounce from our box that we discussed today on our pre-market update. We said 67 and the 80 cents should be a support to hold for BDRX because in the pre-market was here around the 90 cents. We got rejected and the price continued to go down. We held perfectly inside our box. Now we got a breakout. We might see a continuation. This one looking really interesting because we might have the $1 and over. And we got this. So yeah, we got two profit taken for this one. 91 and $1.14. CDTX looking interesting. Okay, this one looking interesting as well. Yeah, let's open a bit position here. We got a support for this one around the $2.14. Profit taken $3.66. $13.25, $13.27, 25. Okay, 13. Okay, 50. Perfect. Let's see. Great. We have a continuation. Silvergate is bouncing. Silvergate is bouncing. FRC as well. VKTX. Okay, we have a huge wick near our profit taking here. The 1366. Okay, we need to have a continuation for this. The supports around the 1214. The ultimate profit taken around the 1527. Let's see. BRDS still not good. Okay, Silvergate is looking interesting, guys. Silvergate is bouncing. Silvergate is doing all right. Yeah, we got really great test around the 2017. Remember, the $2.45 is the squeeze. Okay, VKTX is going down. As we said, the 1366 is resistant on profit taking. That's why we're getting rejected here. This is normal. The 12 is still, the 1214 is the support. CDTX, yeah, getting rejected. You see, guys, $1.14 exactly. Price went down. So let me lower this for a breakout around the $1.15. We'll check it later. Alligator. BRDS. Okay, Silvergate is doing all right, guys. It's pumping. Silvergate is pumping toward the $2.45 now. $2.45 should be a resistance and a breakout zone for today for Silvergate. FRC is still not ready. So we got Silvergate and BRDS or VKTX. Yeah, so those two looking interesting and ready to pump. VKTX and Silvergate. Boom. Great. Let's see what's gonna happen for both of those stocks. VKTX. What a huge pump from this bottom. The 9. Now we want to have a break for the 1366, which is a resistant. 1366 is our resistant. Silvergate is still pumping. And this one is going toward the 16. Be careful, guys. 16 should be the support for BRDS. Silvergate is pumping, guys. Silvergate officially pumping. Yeah, Zora went down. This IBO stock went down big time. Yeah, this one is doing all right. Let me just put the requested stock here, Abe and Zora. So Silvergate is doing all right, and this one as well, VKTX, both of them doing all right. So VKTX, we might see a pump now over the 1366, a potential pump. Yeah, 1329. VKTX. Okay, we got VKTX. It's pumping. Let's see. 1335, 1335. Let's go. 1335 should be a really good first profit. Then the 1527. Silvergate doing all right. Silvergate toward the $2.45. BRDS still FRC. So we're watching two, VKTX and Silvergate. Potential squeeze here. 1366. Okay, a bit of rejection for Silvergate below the $2.45. VKTX was gonna be. We spotted this breakout and the market open, so this was a great breakout for VKTX. Now potential another break around the 1366. Let's see a breakout. Let's see if we have a rejection or a breakout. This will be a decisive moment now. 1349, 48. $13.45, getting a bit of rejected. Let me just go on level 2 data to check if we have hidden seller here. 1366. Let's check if we have hidden seller around the 1366. So far so good. $13.37. We need a huge buyer here to confirm a breakout. Still struggling. Okay, it's pumping. 1366. Okay, breakout. Breakout. We got breakout, guys. Okay. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Testing. First profit taken. Okay, breakout. 1366. Perfect. Okay, it's going up. It's going up. Let's see, we don't have hidden seller now. Let's see a continuation. It's dangerous zone here. We might see a rejection. So just take a bit of profit here. We might see a bit of rejection here. Let's see. 1380. Yeah, this danger zone here. Okay, VKTX is pumping. Silvergate is still holding. FRC, BRDS. So yeah, we got Silvergate and VKTX. Still pumping. VKTX already took our profit here around the 1380. We might see another test now for this level, 1446 and the 1527. You know what I'm gonna do now? I will put alert here for another support. Yeah, we're going down a bit. Yeah, we should hold. Silvergate is going up. FRC is going up. VKTX is going down. Yeah, it's a danger zone here, guys. As we said, this is a danger zone. Let's see Silvergate and FRC. Okay, it's going a bit down for VKTX, which is a bit of resistance here. Let me just go in the 5 minutes and see what's going on. Yeah, we're gonna have a bit of pullback here. This is normal. Let's check another support. So the 12.14 should be the bottom, and this one should be a support over the $13. Yeah, we're gonna go back down now to test the 13. I prefer if we have a bit of pullback now for a good entry above the 13. VKTX doing alright, 50% up. Okay, this one should be a runner today. It's better than BRDS. So VKTX looking a really interesting play. Still watching. Still waiting. A bit of fight around our resistance on profit taking the 1375. There's fight here. Let's see level 2 to check if we have a hidden seller. Still normal, we don't have a huge seller. Yeah, it's pumping once again. Now we're gonna have a test for the 1446. VKTX is the ATM machine for today. $14.12. Okay, it's pumping. $14.46. Let's see a test. Let's see how much we can do from here toward, yeah, another 7% is doable. Already did 50%. Silvergate, BRDS. Zora is down, yeah, it's really down because we broke the 21. For Abe, it's still down. We don't have, yeah, we need to go back toward the $1.18. Still, yeah, we are really down from the resistance. Okay, we're getting near interesting area, the 1446. We didn't break this bullish trend yet when the market open. So if we're still holding this up trending channel, we're gonna have a huge parabolic up price action. So it's still looking good for a breaking for the 1446. So now this is our resistance. Okay, so far so good. Critical area now for VKTX. We got just little place to fill here to have another pump. Because if the short won the game here, we're gonna have a dip toward the 13. This is it for VKTX. Either as 7% down or 7% up. Yeah, I think we're gonna go down now. Yeah, we're gonna go down now. We have the first signal for a break. GMDA. Okay, this one is really nice to short. Price is breaking. GMDA, let me just check this one. Light volume, light float, a bit cheap, bad earnings. Yeah, there's a lot of things going on for this one. Huge selling pressure happened yesterday, so I will not touch this one because it's heavily shorted. As long as we are below the $1.12 is bad news. This one is really bad news if we still below the $1.12. If we broke the $1.12, we could actually enter for a profit here, $1.72. But now it's dangerous. If you like danger, you go and trade it. Okay, Silvergate going back down again from the $2.17. Not good. Not good reaction. This means the short is still controlling now. We didn't hold it. We have a bit of break. The short adds some position around the $2.29. That's why we short. We got shorted big time. So if we go in big picture to make sense of this nonsense, we still have the $2.45 as a squeeze, and we got this ascending channel as a support. We should hold for today. So we got, let me just put it here for confirmation for a sell-off, $1.87. So as long as we hold this ascending channel, we're gonna have a continuation, then make the short cover around the $2.45. So still an interesting play for Silvergate. Will take time. We don't have a good price action for today, but still good. BRDS is still have a struggle around the 20 cent. Got rejected when the market open. 16 is our bottom support for today. FRC, no action today, no action. VKTX getting shorted. That's why we got out. Getting shorted. So we got out actually around this area before the short, around here, the 13, below the 14. And we said that the rejection will happen around the 14.46. It happened before that. And now we broke our ascending channel going toward the 13. We're gonna have a test for the 13, all right, then reverse. So this should be a support. How everybody doing? FRC down, yeah, I know. OSCR 59%. Okay, we hit our profit taken for this one. We already did chart analysis for it. Wow, so this one, let me just check. Wow, on the open we have a breakout. Yeah, it was a really good trade for this one. OSCR. Oscar Health. Oh man, this one really was good trade. Yes, really good trade. First profit taken hit. Yes, this one could actually go. Yeah, man, this one jumped from the $3, 59%. Now it's really tricky, you know. We might see going back to fill this gap, but at the time being, we have a really great pump for this one. Let me just bring. We got some news, yeah, for this one. We got a new CEO. We might see the $10 for this one because it's really strong. We got another support here, which was the profit taken. Yeah, Oscar looking good. Oscar Health, guys, 60% up. But for my opinion, is kind of overextended now, because this is the ultimate profit taken, the $6. So we'll see if we hold above the $5.59. Good game, should be a good play. $5.59, yeah, should be a good game. Otherwise, we gonna have a pullback, big time, big pullback. Support is around the $5.08. Yeah, we expect a bit pullback now, overextension now. Interesting play, this one, interesting. VKTX is going up, Silvergate is going up. Okay, FRC still consolidating sideways. Let's see top gainer for today. Oh man, Baba is doing all right. 8% up for today, gapped. Pretty good gap for today. We got pretty good gap. Okay, so last earning we got great earning and revenue, but the price actually went down after this good earnings. Now we might see a adjustment for the price, because the price have to go around the 100 once again. Now is below the 100, so we got great play for Baba, guys, for the coming days and weeks. We might see a great play now. We have to be really strategic here and play this one. So I will put OSCR and Baba for my play. I will put alert. You know, when I find some play like this, I will put alert, do my analysis and forget about them. Then I will have less thinking or less decision when the price hit my levels. It's really make it easier for me, okay? Make it easier for myself to take decisions. So yeah, both of them looking good. Let me just check VKTX. Still Oscar bouncing. Let's see the top volume gainer. We got Baba with 32 million, VKTX 17. This one, Carnival Corporation, is doing all right, 5%. Tesla down 1%, but is still holding the support. Silvergate still holding. AMD, oh man, big time down, 3%. Nvidia is down, like AMD, of course. Snap is down. We'll wait for Snap as well. There's a potential. This one, okay. So let's see the top gainer for today, BMEA. 76% and still pumping. I don't like to buy here, man. Whoa, 29 is still pumping, 87%. I don't like to buy on the top here. It's kind of dangerous. Let me just check. 27 price pumped from the $15. Wow, this one, BMEA. BMEA. Not interested. Either expensive or light of float. Oh man, Love. Nice name. We got stock is called Love. There's so much love from the investors buying this stock. Look at this one, $28. We got, yeah, pretty nice earning for Love. I would love this stock if it went around the $13. I would love this stock. Interesting stock. Okay, so then we got $36. We got, yeah, so Love, this is not, yeah, this one's swing trade. So Love, I love this stock, man. I will put it on the list just from the name, you know, just from the name. There's so much love in this stock, and I love the level $30 exactly around the 30. So it's really I just love the stock, man. ANEB, not good. Let's see if we have opportunity here like the other stock that we saw. There's always opportunity, guys, but we have to see them. We got to see them, because if you don't check, you miss. Anyway, let's go back to our business and add those to our list. I will put those stocks on the chart analysis update here that we're gonna do on the swing trade. We always do day trade, chart analysis, and swing trade. Last time we did AMD, Starbucks, INTC, and Nvidia. So we're gonna do updates for Baba and Oscar because I like both of them. And the time being, let's go back and see what we got here. We already traded VKTX and we exited. So we entered around this breakout zone from this flag, boom, around the 12th, I think. Price got rejected around this area. So we exited around the 1380, yeah. We got rejected around the 14, price now accumulate sideways. Let's see now, we accumulate sideways. We expect the price to have another pump after we clear the 1446. Yeah, FRC, man, no price action for today. All traders is going and watching VKTX. Oscar, Umulan is really bad. Yeah, big time. After the last dip that we had, it's really risky. Risky business. Okay, VKTX is about to pump again. 1446, a new high. HUBC hit our scan. Wow, huge sell-off. Hit our support. Not looking good. On the other hand, VKTX looking pretty nice. Okay, breakout, VKTX. Just a test, not even breakout. A test for our resistance, 1446. Oscar doing all right, pumping. Wow, pumping really good now. Wow, it's pumping pretty nice. Both of them testing important resistance, Oscar and Viking. Nice names. Viking and Oscars. Testing and resistance and profit taking. For Oscar is the $6.03 and for Viking is the 1446. Really interesting play for both of them. We're gonna have a pump now or not? This is it for both of them. 1446 Viking, Oscar $6. Really interesting for both of them. Okay, we have a pump. See a continuation for Oscar. Still testing. We need a pump now on holding over the $6. Short, still shorting. Oh boy. Yeah, we don't have a hold up. Really dicey here. I'm telling you guys, really dicey. Let's see a pump. Now or never. $6.04. Oh man, this is crazy what's going on. Yeah, still shorting around the 6. There's some big short here. The short knows, because if we overcome the 6, we're gonna go toward the 775. $5.99. Oh man, the short is adding. Adding some position around the $6.06, $6.02, I think. Still holding $6, accumulating. We have a good accumulation above the $5.92. We need to pump over the $6.10 and hold over the 6 to confirm that breakout. Really good entry was here around the $5.10. GNS hit our scan. Come on, 603. We need a pump now. Huge pump like this candle. 04. There's someone still shorting. Yeah, someone's still shorting. Yeah. Game over. Yeah, game over. It's not good. VKTX is about to break the 1446. Silvergate, no. BRDS, FRC. Yeah, VKTX is doing alright. This one's not ready yet. Those bastards still around the $6. BRDS really going down. We are about to break for VKTX. Yeah, we broke. $15.27 should be the second profit taken. Okay, Oscar, we expect the price to continue to go down now. $6 is the resistance. Okay, VKTX, we might see a continuation now for the 15 after all. If we have a closing candle at least over the 14. But I guess every time we break the 1446, the short adding some position. This is it for Oscar. Either we're gonna get shorted or a squeeze. So if we don't overcome the 6, we're gonna get shorted big time. Yeah, indecision still. Yeah, George. This is how you lose money, you know? When we have this kind of trending market here, there's no money here. BRDS is breaking the support. Not good, brother. We had the chance here for the 20. Now we're breaking the support. We got a great opener for today. Yeah, for this one jumped really nice, but we didn't cut it. We didn't see this one. I think I saw it, but I didn't pay any attention because we saw that the price is a bit expensive, around the 5. That's why I didn't pay attention for it, but the prices continue to go higher over the $5.59. Okay, we got something now for VKTX. Yeah, we might have really great pump here. 27%. We need a lot of patience, you know. Testing the new high for Oscar. What a game, man. Test, then rejection, test, then rejection. We don't have still confirmation for breakout. It's teasing. Oscar is teasing us. Yeah, it's going down now. Oscar is going down once again, double top, $6.05. We might have a retest for the $5.59 support. So yeah, the volatility is going back down. That's the trap, you know, because usually many traders buy around this fake out. Price went down, they sell with a loss, then price go up, they try to buy once again, they sell, boom, the price go down, and guess what, the price go down and volatility go down, so they actually buy and the worst kind of situation, because if you want to force a trade and the trade is not going, there's no volatility, the market is low on volatility, you make yourself lose so much money because you force the trade. So that's the trick, to know when you stop trading. That's the trick. Luis, exactly, man, exactly. It's like fishing. I think if a fisherman tried to trade, he make a lot of money. Yeah, man. You know, that's why they say the best traders have no emotion. They're not excited, they're not happy, they're not sad, they're neutral. They have poker face. It's kind of hard to do, because when you have high volatility action and a stock pump, you want the action because you're waiting so far, you know, and you see the fish and you want to take the fish to eat it because you're hungry. Then the fish is run away, or you make it scared, and you never actually get the hook, you know. The same with trade. You be waiting, waiting, and you get this kind of two fake out here, bomb and bomb. And this is frustrating because the market is low, you want action, you want to force the trade, you buy around the resistance, price go down on you, and the reaction happen and happen once again, and circle, never ending circle. Another test around the 6 now. Okay, finally we have a breakout. Okay, let's see a continuation now for Oscar. Let's see a continuation for Oscar. Let's go. $6.18, 20. Let's see $6.44 at least. $6.21. Yeah, finally we pumped. Okay, first profit taken should be around the $6.44. We cut Oscar around the $6.05. It was a great breakout. That's why we have to be patient, guys. You see what's happened? We have two tests here. Price got rejected, then pumped. Now we gonna get a bit of rejection around the $6.44 before a continuation. So watch out, there's a potential rejection now. $6.44. Let me just check if we have another levels. Yeah, we got this level and we got that level. So we got so many levels. Yeah, below the 8, $6.90, $6.44 has been tested now. So before the 7 and before the 8. Interesting, guys. So now we need to hold the 6 to confirm a continuation over the $6.44. So you see what's happening here? $6.44 should be a resistance. Yeah, this is a resistance now, which is profit taken. That's why we see a rejection now, you see? Let's see orange, and this should be red, support. So yeah, Oscar looking juicy, guys. Oscar looking juicy. Your siesta time. Are you from Spain? I think just Spanish people and Italian taking siesta. I believe of sleeping well at night, you know. I sleep almost 10 hours. So I don't need any sleep during the day. When I wake up, I wake up. I don't sleep. Wow, Oscar, man. Oscar, I'm telling you guys, it's bombing. It's bombing big time. Okay. We need a pullback. We need a pullback. No pullback. No pullback. Continuation. Let's see level 2 if we got, yeah, there's big seller now. We got some sellers around the $6.48, big seller. This is might be a pullback time. Yeah, big seller. Big seller. $6.48. Wow, Viking. It can't actually break the 1450. That's why short seller came in. Now we might see a continuation down for Viking from this resistance. We might see a continuation down now. We'll watch. Silvergate still up, FRC, BRDS. So Oscar is the game changer for today. Price action. Oscar looking good, guys. Yeah, Oscar's pumping once again. Toward the $6.97. How much we did for today? We did 82%. From this pump, man, that was pretty nice. Oh no. Yeah, we pumped from this level. Yeah, big runner, this one. Big runner. So we opened the market here around 3:30. Yeah, we have a breakout. Price continued to go higher. New support, holding, breaking the 6. Didn't break. Now breaking this level, $6.94. Interesting play. Really strong, man. It's really strong. Oscar, really strong. So Luis, don't go to your job tomorrow because we're getting near to the 7. Chile. I really want to visit Chile. There's a lot of heritage over there from Mayan, I think. There's a great civilization in Chile. I read a bit of history about Chile. Oh yes, Luis, you have to quit, brother. You have to quit tomorrow. Yeah, $6.64. Luis gonna quit his job tomorrow. He said it. Around the 7, he quit his job. Let's see. Let's celebrate Luis. Freedom. Yeah, looking good. Oscar looking good. Man, need to clean the screen. Can't see nothing. Yeah, it's not stopping. It's not stopping, brother. Yeah, now we have a bit of selling pressure. Okay, Oscar, we have a bit of pullback. Of course, because we already did a great jump here without any pullback. Yeah, so now we get a pullback. Now we're gonna get our first pullback. Let's see, this 5-minute candle will confirm everything. You know, when we have a great action like this one with Oscar, the time go fast, you know? When we have slow action of the market, I would say, oh man, still we're not 2 hours on our live streaming. It's like just 1 hour, it took forever. But when we have action, we forget about time. Time's like go really fast. Okay, Oscar still holding $6.45. Oh man, 81% now. It's kind of risky now. Let me just take this. George, we'll see. We'll check NVIDIA in a bit. Three shorts NVIDIA. Oh man, do you actually do like 3 short NVIDIA? I know this one is based in London. This brokerage who actually they give this instrument. They have 3 short NVIDIA, 3 long NVIDIA, 3 short Tesla, 3 short Tesla. So yeah, it's percentage wise. Yeah, this one. Is going 11%. It's going down and down and down. So this one, once NVIDIA go up, this one's go down. If NVIDIA go down, this one is go up. So you see that the last few months we have the price drop down for 3 short NVIDIA because it's short. Now we might see a price action change for this one to go higher. Wow, this one is still bumping, still holding. But now is a bit risky because we don't have a strong level. The support is a bit far around the 6 and the resistance is around the 7. So we are in the midway. We'll see if we have a bit of pullback toward the 6. Now we are a bit in risk territory. VKTX is about to pump, guys. It's about to pump right now. VKTX. This one, I like this one. We already did the trade for it. Let's see. VKTX. Where's VG? Yeah, Viking. Yeah, we could actually initiate a good trade here when we have a breakout around the 1450. Now we have a bit of price drop down a bit. This one might get shorted if we broke this trend. We could actually short it if we don't break the 1454. Gonna have a huge volatility pretty soon. Okay, Oscar went down finally. We had a resistance around the $6.64 confirmed resistance. Let me just lower this. Now we have to test the $6. Let's check here. We did 8%. Luis. What kind of work you do? Why you hate your work that much? Don't tell me that you work in McDonald's. Yeah, I will understand if you work in McDonald's. Yeah, I understand. Because I don't eat in McDonald's. I don't like to eat over there. It's not healthy. And smell like oil. Every time I go there, I smell like oil. But hopefully it's not in McDonald's or Burger King. NVIDIA. Okay, so NVIDIA, we have a bit of selling pressure. We broke from the $2.63. So support, you're asking about the support, is around the 250. So we got a bit of selling pressure now for NVIDIA, but we still in bullish trend continuation. So we got something going on here. So yeah, the 250 for NVIDIA. Wow, VKTX is about to pump. The chart look really amazing. Math teacher, man, you know that Matt is the rock star of our science, man. Respect, man. Your work is number one. Even physics, or even all the science is beneath math. Let me be honest with you, man. Math is number one. Even though like a lot of people don't like it, but come on, everything's math. For your financier, yeah, man. Let me ask you guys a question. If the day is like, I would tell you like, this is the last day that you're gonna live on Earth, what are you gonna do? This is the most important thing to know what you like to do, you know. For me, if this is my last day, I would just sit and put like 100x leverage on my brokerage account and go all in. Go all in. The riskiest trade ever, like making 10 million in one trade. Okay, VKTX is getting shorted. VKTX is getting shorted. You know what I'm gonna do here? We could actually short VKTX. Let me just wait to see if this 1 minute candle close below. Yeah, VKTX. Let me short VKTX now. Okay, yes. Let's see. We can actually short this position. The maximum remaining quantity for short position is 0. Okay, there is no short for this. We can't short VKTX. Oh man, this would be a really great short opportunity here. Anyway, so we'll leave it. Oscar looking good, man, looking good. 82% and it's pumping once again. Oh man, we might see another pump for for Oscar. Great. $6.63, 82%. I prefer a pullback down toward the 6. Now is a bit risky, man. A bit risky for Oscar. The ultimate profit taken is nearly around the 8. Maybe for tomorrow. But we might see it today. Everything is possible for this crazy stock. It's pumping on the news. Sunray. Wow, Oscar, we need a pullback for Oscar. Okay, VKTX, we expect a huge selling pressure now. We didn't overcome the 1454, so potential short now toward the 1355 and the 13. We're gonna have a huge selling pressure there because the short add a huge position here around the 1454. That's why the price will go down. We would like to short the stock, but we don't have any shorts available for the stock, you know. It was really great opportunity to short, but yeah, we don't have any share available to short this one. That's why the price going down now. You see, nice short, man, really nice short. Oscar, man, $6.63. $6.63 is about to pump once again. Let's watch this one if we have a potential pump. Whoa, big seller, $6.62. Still big seller. This is decisive moment. If we broke, we're gonna have a cover up. Oh man, we got a cover up. This is madness, man. Really madness. What are you kidding me? This is crazy. Another pump Big seller around the $6.79. Big. Didn't cover yet. $6.78. Okay, short adding their position. Man, they have to cover here. This is madness here. Yeah, big jump. The short is still shorting, man. Really dicey here. Short is still shorting. Is dicey. Here is dicey. This breakout is really dicey, man. If we dipped once again below the $6.63, I don't like it. This means the short add and they didn't cover. Let's see. It's really risky now where we have almost 100% gain. Still holding though, still holding over the $6.63. We might see the 7. Luis, you could have actually okay, we got something. Really, we got something. $6.88. Don't be emotional, brother. Don't be emotional. Profit is profit. If you took a profit and the price went up on you, don't be angry. The market's usually irrational sometimes, and there's FOMO price. That's what happened. You see here? There's a price action happened over the $6.63, and this time we might not hold because we're already overextended. We don't have genuine buying pressure or pullback around this level, so I'm not confident with this breakout. I'm not confident enough. We might see this candle break the $6.63. This will confirm my hypothesis, and the price will go toward the $6 this time. Let's see. If we held the $6.63, will be confirmed breakout, and we're gonna go toward the 7. If we don't hold the $6.63, it's mean going toward the 6, and we finish our live streaming. Yeah, breaking the $6.63. Come on, break it. Come on. This is overextended, man. It's not realistic if we go to the 7 and we held the $6.63. It's possible, yeah, but some stocks do this. Really rare stock that actually pump over 400% and go up, but those stocks get halted on the way up, like they do 50% and 100% in just one jump, not like Oscar. So for Oscar, usually those kind of stock based on news, we have to have a genuine pullback. Until now, we don't have genuine pullback, so we need to have a huge pullback. From this gain, man, 80%, 85%. So yeah, it's big jump. We need to have a pullback now. Yeah, we broke. So we broke, you guys. So as we said, I don't like this breakout, so that's why it's not good to enter here. Let's see now. We're still testing. If we have 1 minute candle close here, yeah, we're gonna go toward the 6. And we're gonna do chart analysis update for Oscar after we finish our live streaming here on our day trade, not swing trade, but our day trade for Oscar. Because this one have potential. This one have potential. I'm telling you guys. VKTX, Silvergate, PRDS, FRC. Okay. Game over for Joseph Angelo. He said game over. No regrets, brother. No regrets. Wow, we bounced actually. We have a great bounce from the $6.63. Interesting. We wait for 1 minute candle close below the $6.63 to confirm a sell-off. Price continuation down. Still holding. Oscar is not finished yet. Yeah, Luis, it's really fun. Day trading is kind of getting lonely sometimes when you trade, and yeah, you have to have focus and you have to have your chart and things like this. But it's really important to have other people to trade with, to exchange knowledge, exchange kind of tips and information. Sometimes we got really great tips here from our hunters on some stocks, and when we check it, there's really good opportunities. So yeah, live streaming is good to have this kind of community to trade with each other. But remember, Luis, patience, don't get emotional, have poker face, let the price come to you, and then take profit. If you took profit and the price still continue to go higher, don't enter on higher price. So those little things actually add up in the big picture. Thank you again, Kingston. Appreciate it, brother. Interesting. Oscar should be on our playlist for tomorrow, of course. We're gonna do a live streaming for Oscar and for VKTX. Silvergate is still not over yet. FRC today, there's no volume, but I expect there's a like the market maker preparing for a huge order for FRC. So wait for this price action. That's why I have alerts for FRC from above and below, you see, and we're gonna hunt for the bottom or for the breakout. So watch out for this update. We're gonna do a video on 8 p.m. CET on our YouTube channel to discuss those stocks and power hour for them, and tomorrow as well for a pre-market update. And as well, we're gonna do a short analysis update for Oscar. If we broke now the $6.63 to hunt for the bottom price, because now it's 85%, it's overextended, there's FOMO buying, so we have to be strategic and buy with the market maker when we're gonna get a reversal. So we're gonna do short analysis update here on our Discord, so stay tuned for this update. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. George, we're gonna discuss Tesla and IMPP, of course, on our Patreon tomorrow, because Tesla is going down and didn't break that resistance around the 200. So yeah, good reminder for Tesla. We're gonna check Tesla and IMPP for tomorrow on pre-market. And Oscar is breaking our support. Yeah, of course, after we finish our live streaming.